do have an email question from TJ, who got into a car accident, and he simply would like to know, Kip, what's a reasonable amount of time to expect to maybe have to wait for an injury claim to kind of get resolved? He had broken ribs from the wreck. He's been trying to reach out to the insurance company, hasn't heard back. Time maybe to hire a lawyer?
TJ, great question, and I think the answer is yes. You should hear from an adjuster rather quickly if it's a situation where the other party was at fault, which is not totally clear from your email question, but you typically will hear from an adjuster from the other side pretty quickly. We would encourage you to seek advice from counsel as quick as you can. Oftentimes, from a resolution standpoint, these things do take a little bit of time. It has a lot to do with your treatment. If you have these broken ribs and they require, therapy or other kind of treatment from a medical professional, oftentimes your case is not ready to be resolved until that treatment is complete. So that dictates the timeline a bit. But cases can be resolved in several months to several years. It depends on the complexities of the case, how serious your injuries are, and whether or not the at-fault party's insurance company is acknowledging their responsibility to pay your claim. If they're not and they're denying liability, then you may have a fight on your hands that requires filing a lawsuit. But you certainly need to reach out to a local attorney as soon as you can. The sooner the better, and they can get you pointed in the right direction and hopefully moving down a path to put a little money in your pocket at the end of the day.
Super. Well, thanks so much for that, Kip.